Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mahfuz bin Abdul Hamid, student of University Technical Malaysia, Melaka, and I am final year student. First of all, thank you so much, and I feel so honored to Mapit High Tech Sdn Bhd that managed by Ahmad Yusri bin Madesa or Omar for giving me an opportunity to practical at there, which is my final course requirement to graduate. Also, I really grateful and honored to University Supervisor TS Muhammad Khalid bin Wahid. For introduction to the company, Mapit High Tech in Alostar was a sub-company. The main company is in Selangor. Mapit High Tech focus on conducting a project tender for wiring single phase and three phase, install underground telecom cable and overhead telecom cable, then also install feeder pillar, traffic light and street light. Other than that, Mapit High Tech also accept job that related to the air conditioner installation and firefighting. For organization chart in Alostar branch that managed by Ahmad Yusri bin Madesa atau Omar and assistant by Nur Azila binti Ahmad, officer assistant Muhammad Zulfitri. After that, for a technical crew and engineer divide by 3 section: Abu Bakar bin Haris for engineer, Aziz bin Makno for chargeman A4, Amrul Riza Cik Awang chargeman BO. Then intern student and other technical crew will be under them. For job scope, the task that had given to me was: first is design for floor plan drawing, and the second is technical assistant. The third one, study on quotation for project tender. The first task that I had done is distribution board replacement. The task that I involved is producing distribution board by painting the board, then install the electrical component, and for wiring process, I involve wiring on non-critical part that refer from the plan drawing. I had learned how to fitting wire, how to read and understand the circuit drawing with guide from a technical member. For the second project that I have involved is installing street light pole. I had involved and able to learn for assembly all part of the street light pole. For a lamp case, need to assembly separately because need to install the wiring and install lamp. Then for a fuse relay. Other than that, before place a light pole, need to done a groundwork first, which is pulling a wire on the ground from a feeder pillar. For the last process, tie the knot that plant on the ground by a cement, then tie it to the base of the light pillar. For the next task is I also got a task to editing and edit a 2D schematic drawing by using AutoCAD. For that, I have make a revision for AutoCAD, generate 2D schematic drawing, editing, wiring layout, edit component, and make detailed supply electric and component to use. Thanks to the task that given by the company for AutoCAD's work that make me easy to pass the exam by the Autodesk Professional Certificate that organized by UTEM. The next task is to generate project tender paperwork. For this task, I need to study about format of standard tender paperwork by referring to previous paperwork. Also got help from the Karani. Also, I study about price quotation compared with supplier and standard price from a JKR. This work is called sebut harga. Then the task for earthing to place a earth cable. For this task, I learned how to install the device meter and how to reading the measuring device. From that, able to record a data for a suitable spot to place a earth cable. Place your probe device on the ground to measure the conductivity on that spot. To place the probe rod, need to be careful because of the rod is sensitive and need to wet the ground first. Then using a resistant lowering powder at the best conductivity spot. This is used for a special case to get a more suitable value data. The last project that I have involved is installing of a spotlight pole. It's almost same with a street light. That's required to assembly a spotlight first. Then the wiring process and plant the cable 5 feet deep on the ground. If any leak of electric, it will absorb into the earth, so it will not cause any danger to the surface. Then for a wiring and fitting process on a control panel, a bit different with the relay and the ballast type. That's all from my presentation. Yang baik itu dari Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, yang salah dari diri saya sendiri. Thank you so much and stay safe.